Hello YouTube, this is Sharon. I wanted to share a quick face shield that I made. I saw a woman posted this on Facebook, and I thought it was awesome and simple and very easy. So all you need is 2 items. I got headbands from Dollar Tree, and this is a 4-pack and a 6-pack. This 6-pack is a cloth kind, and a 4-pack of the plastic, hard plastic, just $1 each. And I prefer the hard plastic because it fits a little tighter on the forehead. So it just depends on how you feel around, how it fits around your head and forehead. And a pack of sheet protectors from Target. It's only a 50-pack for $5. So quick items I got from the stores. And all you do is insert the headband through the side, as you can see here. It was a little tricky at first. I had to use a point of a scissors to insert it because it was hard to have the opening. But I just, and then I took the scissors out and put one end of the headband in, and you just keep inserting throughout the whole side and here. See? And then pretty cool. So I would of course wear this with a face mask, and I know it's not 100% COVID-19 protection, but it's something really to use, not to show that that you're not showing your face. I mean, you're not touching your face while you're out. It's because I keep touching my face while I'm out with my gloves and my hands. It's just out of habit. So it's nice to have some kind of face shield while you're out shopping. So thank you for watching, and please stay safe.